Hello, I'm James Kalleske, winemaker and technical advisor for Hatten Wines. I joined the company in 2012, 7 years ago, and my daily activities are basically research and development, wine tasting, wine blending and quality control to make sure we're making amazing wines every day. My greatest achievement since working at Hatten Wines has been being recognised as Asia's Winery of the Year in 2007 and achieving successful growth of Syrah, Chenin Blanc and Colombard in the vineyard, which we're going to use to, revolutionise Hatten's wine ranges and make the products even better again and more appealing. Happy 25th anniversary, Hatten Wines!